Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
you hear
So
me
what?
now?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's proper. It's clear now.
Okay.
All right. So what do you do, Mr. Gandhi?
I just graduated from my college and I majored in manufacturing technology.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So why you want to learn CCNA?
Uh, I had little bit of networking background. You can say it's just the basis. I used
Mm-hmm.
to be a networking advisor for New York Institute of Technology. I used to
Mm-hmm.
help them set up the hardware for networking and did a little
Mm-hmm.
bit of a LAN setup and
Okay.
enable
Mm-hmm.
shared all the printers and networking devices for them.
Okay.
And
Uh-huh.
the reason I want to join have the CCNA certification, the course ready, because I was thinking of switching into IT industry,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and within no background in IT, this was
Mm-hmm.
my best bet.
Okay. Okay. Right. So I'll give you a demonstration on CCNA, right? So have you done
Hmm.
any Microsoft products? Have you done any Microsoft products earlier? Windows
As in
administration,
products,
anything like that?
no, no.
Okay. All right. So what do you think Cisco is about? What is Cisco, or what does Cisco do basically?
Cisco basically does the networking, is basically a networking pioneer, and it manages the security and
Hmm.
distributes the packets which it is supposed to distribute in a certain fashion.
Yeah. Okay. So Cisco is basically a company which manufactures routers and switches. Cisco is famous for manufacturing routers and switches. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the idea of a router? What does a router do for us?
Router routes the signal to the design destination.
Yeah, exactly. So what is routing?
Routing is it's like guiding your design, designated information to some from one place to another.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. So routing is nothing but sending the data from source to destination in the best possible path. Rather, you can say routing is nothing but path selection. So how you want to
mhm,
send your data from source to destination, that is what we are trying to do in routing. So router is a device
right.
which does routing. Router works at layer 3, that is your network layer of the OSI reference model. It helps you do
Mhm,
routing, right? So
right.
actually it helps you establish communication between different networks.
Mhm,
Whenever you want to establish a communication between different networks, you are going to use some special devices called as routers. So router can be used both in LANs and also in WANs. Basically, we treat the router as a WAN device. So whenever
yeah.
you want to establish connection, let's say you are working for a company which has branches in multiple cities and you want to establish a connection between them. This is done with the help of routers.
Mhm.
So did you ever try to configure routers in your hardware part?
Yeah. Most of the
Okay.
time, how it was that I had had to communicate. I had to set up maximum 3 to 4 devices in one apartment, one building,
Mm-hmm.
and they
Okay.
had extension devices. So which were some of them we had a hardware line, physical LAN,
Uh-huh.
so it
Yeah.
was not an issue.
Okay. So, did you ever work with Cisco routers or the normal ones?
Not Cisco routers. I most of the time I had worked with Linksys, and
Okay.
currently I'm working on an advanced router by ASUS.
Okay. Okay. All right. See here. So, Cisco certified CCNA is a basic course in the Cisco Academy. Cisco people maintain an academy for students like us. So wherein the basic course, you want to start something in Cisco, you want to start your career in Cisco, we started with a CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, right? So it is a network devices manufacturing company. It was started in 1984. And see here, it is the leader in network devices production. You have many other companies also. We have Linksys, Nortel, Juniper, so many other, but still Cisco is having the greatest market share. Yeah. So it actually maintains a network academy wherein you have different levels of entry. Like we have the entry level, we have the associate level, professional level, expert level, and the architect level. See here, first we will try to do our CCNA. Once you are done with CCNA, we will go for NP. Then we are going with CCIE. Okay. NP is network professional and IE is inter-network expert. So what is the idea of a network?
Network is a chain.
Chain of what?
It's a chain of devices from where you want to send exchange the data.
Yeah, exactly. So network is nothing but it is connection of computers. You can say it is interconnection of devices. Whenever you talk about network, we are going to see so many devices on our network. Like you can see PCs, you can see servers, you can see switches, routers, along with some cables, etc., etc. So whenever we are trying to group two or more machines together, we are going to treat it as a network.
Okay.
See here, for example. So to begin with, we are going to take a simple example in which we are going to see a switch connected with a few number of machines like this. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of networking? Why are we trying to join the machines?
The reason why we are trying to join the machine is so that we have one only common destination, one distributing headquarters, to which all the computers can report and can exchange the data.
Okay. See, basically the purpose of joining the machines is to share your data, is to communicate. Okay, whenever you want to communicate with the other systems in the network, or you want to share any device, you want to share any data, sharing is the basic purpose of going for networking concepts. So we have two purposes of networking. One is sharing and the other one is security. To share the resources on your network, what are the resources which you can share? We can share anything like your printers, folders, servers, etc. Then what are the advantages? See here. Whenever we try to create a network, it is going to reduce the time, it is going to save our time, it is going to provide security to our network, and it is also going to reduce the infrastructure cost. You are also going to have easy management. You can centrally manage your network, right?
Yeah.
So these are some of the advantages because of which people, more and more corporates and more people are going for the networking concepts. Now, requirement of a network, see here. So minimum, if at all you are planning to set up a LAN, whenever you are planning to set up a LAN, the minimum things which you should have is computers with operating system, and then you need to have the core component of networking, that is your NIC card. NIC card is the most important device for networking. Okay, if you want to do networking with your system, if you want your system to join any network, your system should definitely carry NIC card. Then you should have the media. Media we are going to use as cables. We are going to use some guided media in the form of cables. And then we have the RJ45 connectors. And if you are going to use many machines, you can